In this video, I'll show you how to sign up for Clubhouse or how to also reserve your username even if you don't have an invite yet. So if you appreciate me making this video, make sure you give the video a like, subscribe if you're new, and hey, if you have any questions whatsoever around the video, make sure you comment them in the comment section down below. I would love to help you out there. So what you want to do is it's the same thing for an iPhone and an Android devices. Go on the Google Play Store or the App Store, search for Clubhouse. It will show up at the top because it's obviously a famous app. You want to install it, open, get your username. This is what we want to do. You got to type in your phone. I will do that right now for me. Next. Now I'm waiting for a code. Got it. Next. First name and last name. Nikolai. Second name. Vrikov. Clicking next. Picking my username. Dr. Niki. Click next. We've reserved Dr. Niki. Here is what I wanted to do. So now if you have an invite, you click on here. If you don't, you can ask a friend that has one and start from there. If this video helped you out, give me a like. I want to see you in the next one.